Welcome to Playtime with Honka. Channel. Before we get started, let's grab the notification and here's some song. Today we're gonna open a cheerleader.
Yes. Today, guys.
What's her name?
Ruby Anderson.
Ruby.
Yeah, she's your favorite doll. Remember the red one?
Yeah. So, guys.
No. Mama, can I choose my favorite doll?
Yeah.
My favorite doll is this one and this one.
Yes.
That one's for spread.
So, guys, today we are opening up Ruby Anderson, the cheerleader. We are super excited.
Hey, guys!
We have Ruby Anderson,
Mom.
but we do not have a cheerleader.
Hey, can I do something?
Uh-huh.
I have my new bed, bunk beds.
Yes.
When Layla come over, her gonna have sleepover. I'm gonna sleep up the bed, and Layla's gonna sleep down.
Down the bed.
Yes,
First
guys.
year.
Honka got a bunk bed. Finally.
So she can have sleepovers.
Yes.
Sleepover party.
Yes.
Boop, boop, boop.
Let's get back to it. We're opening up Ruby Anderson. We have Ruby Anderson, but we got the cheerleader.
Hey guys, you know I got this Game Magic Mouse
Yes, we also ordered
because the
that.
hack is gonna see me.
She has been making me order a lot of stuff, guys. This child comes to me with my phone on eBay with stuff to order.
Alex Cat
So,
and Game Magic Mouse.
yes, we're gonna open up Ruby Anderson. And before we do this, guys, look at her dolls.
Can I tell you something? This one is the perfect.
Yes.
Like, look at her. Hers the same dress. And hers.
She's a cheerleader too.
She's a
Yeah.
cheerleader.
What?
You're two away dolls from having all of them open, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes,
Guys, why are they twins?
because they're twins.
They're twinsies.
That's still my favorite one.
Mine's the green one. Green one.
She's very tomboyish. So we are gonna get started opening up Ruby Anderson. I do want you guys to stick out through the video and watch us. We do have a little surprise for you. And we'll also be picking out the winners for
Sunny Madison.
Sunny Madison.
Mama.
So stick through and we get to find out who the winner is.
Oh no.
Are you ready, Honka?
Yeah, these dolls are keep falling. They're super
Slippery.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this
You're
one
fine.
How's it going, baby?
really bad
Really bad. Why?
because I'm crying.
Don't cry. See all these beautiful dolls. Oh, one fall down. They're so beautiful, just like you are.
Like me?
Yeah, no, like Honka. Honka is the princess.
Haspa, I know who you are. You're this ugly girl.
But they're all pretty.
She's super beautiful.
Yes, she is.
Yeah.
Get her out, Honka.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I want to do these. Like, what?
Wow, she's beautiful. Let me see the face. Wow, she looks amazing, just like you.
Guys, you see these? You know who's spicy?
Who?
Bitcoin.
Yes. She is beautiful.
So what does she come with, Mama?
She
Brush and
comes
pom-poms.
with a brush and 2 pom-poms.
2 beautiful
How is that
pom-poms.
possible? No dresses. Only her.
The cheerleaders don't come with
Yeah, cheerleaders don't come with dresses. They come with pom-poms.
Can we put the
No.
pom-poms on her?
Maybe no.
Let's try it.
I'm gonna take her shoes off
Got
and mix
one.
them.
Let's put the other one. So cool. So cool. Yay! I like this. Give me an H.
H.
Give me an A.
A.
Give me an N.
Guys,
And
we should put the dolls in like
Yes.
this.
So cool.
Hey guys, look.
So,
Wait, can I show them something? Look.
ooh, she did a split.
yes, she's a sport.
I can't do this.
Anderson, guys.
Mom,
Ruby Anderson.
Mom.
Yes.
can I
She
show
looks
them
amazing.
1 minute.
something? No?
I love her hair, guys.
No?
Oh my gosh, she is
Guys.
beautiful.
Hello? Yes, I broke my leg. I can't do the black blue. I can't do it.
She's be able to do splits.
I
But
can't
she
do
broke
it.
her ankle.
And
Yes,
then,
but Layla
No
can do it.
more. Yeah. So guys, that is Ruby Anderson. I really like her.
Can I see the bad news?
No.
Guys, Edina is sick. Now he's got hurt. Like me.
he's gonna get better.
Yes.
He'll be
Her
okay.
cousin Eddie had his tonsils and adenoids taken out just like Honka, so she felt super sad.
He also has a YouTube channel, Edins TV. Check it out, guys,
Check it
and
out.
subscribe.
Welcome to Edin's
She
TV.
loves him and hopes he gets better. Ruby Anderson, I like her. I love the hair. It's way longer than the Ruby Anderson it's herself. It's way longer than the Ruby Anderson itself. Pom-poms and all.
Mom, can I touch her?
Yeah. You can take them.
So, guys, you know what's left to do?
Oh. Give me a H. H. Give me an I.
Hey!
Give me a, no, it's H. It's not I, it's H.
We're trying to spell
Give
your
me a
name.
H.
H!
Give me a I.
I!
Give me a O.
Oh!
Give me a flip.
A flip! What's that spell?
Flip.
Hi-yo! Flip!
Give me a A.
Hey!
B.
Muscle.
Muscle.
Give me a kill.
Kill.
What's that spell? Blackwood kill.
Backward kill.
Yeah.
So, guys,
Ow.
all that's left is for us to pick
Pick out a winner.
I want to see my mom's face.
I love her.
Because I'm shy.
Love you. Okay, let's sit down and pick a winner. So, we
I'm
are
sorry.
so guys, we're gonna pick the winner. We have all our names in the bowl. Pretty cool. A lot of players.
A lot of players.
Yes. So we are gonna be picking the winner for Sunny.
Hey guys, can I come something?
Yes.
Hey guys, Mama's gonna do it because I'm not gonna do it. It was horrible. I picked nobody. So you do it, Mama.
Okay, I will pick her, guys. Ready?
Sunny Madison, here we go. Let's
So
mix,
we're
mix,
gonna
mix,
shake,
mix,
shake,
mix,
shake,
mix.
shake, shake, shake.
Hey Mom.
Shake, 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 shake.
Hey Mom.
Are you
Mom,
sure you don't want to pick?
I don't want to pick. I'm
Okay.
scared.
So I'm gonna open it, guys.
Close your eyes,
And I'm
look
gonna
up. Only one?
Close my eyes.
Only one.
Wait,
Don't
wait.
touch it, Honko.
Okay. So I got
Picking one.
What do you got?
Who you got? Let's see.
We have PK Moonblast. So PK Moonblast, I'm gonna find on the video.
Yeah,
So-
he's really cool.
Yeah.
We don't know who he is, but we'll find
he's
out.
fat or he's skinny?
I have no idea.
Ew.
So guys, PK Moonblast.
That's the
That is our winner for Sunny. So congratulations.
Congratulations, you pick a winner.
Yes, congratulations. You have won Sunny Madison. Madison, right, Daddy?
Yep.
And we're gonna do one more.
I am getting so confused with the names.
And please contact us.
Yes, please contact us for
And
us to
follow
ship
us.
this doll out to you.
And follow us.
Yes, and
And
follow
TikTok.
us. So, guys, with this being said,
Follow my funny.
we have the winner, PK Moonblast. That was that one. We did say.
Mom, yeah, there's something. Hey guys, follow my bunny because he's so adorable. Like
Yes.
to the bus. Bunny,
What was the surprise?
We do have a
Oh,
surprise.
Yeah, we do have a surprise, right?
This is a
So, what
surprise.
is the surprise, Honka?
let's her take it out. Let's take the pom-poms off.
Let's take the pom-poms on. We're gonna have Ruby Anderson pull out our surprise. You can reach it, Ruby. Ah.
It's my best friend.
Wow.
Ooh,
Hello,
wow.
guys. We opened up Ruby Madison.
Anderson.
I'm still getting confused with these names, guys.
Mom, can I show them something?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Cool. So we opened up Ruby. So we're giving away a Ruby. So guys, same play, comment on our video, and we will put you in our drawing to win her this time.
Please share our videos.
Yes, please do share, like,
And watch 'em,
subscribe,
please.
comment and watch. That would be so helpful to our Honka.
Right.
She loves all of you guys, and she loves opening these dolls up for you. And she also loves giving. So this is something that she wants to do.
So please, guys, watch the whole video. Don't just skip through it.
Yeah.
We really want to give you more giveaways. So if you guys could, please just watch the
Yeah,
whole
we
thing.
want to do way more giveaways. So in order for us to do that, help us out, watch your videos, and just stay tuned for more giveaways. Right, Honka?
Yeah, can I show them?
So we hope you enjoyed this video. We will be dropping another video for our other giveaway pretty soon, right, Daddy?
Yep.
Okay. So we hope you,
Bye.
yes, we hope you liked Ruby. We enjoyed her. We're gonna play a little bit with our dolls. We'll see you guys next time, right?
Yep.
We love you and
Love you.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Butterfly, butterfly.
Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly.
Where's my heart?
You're gonna be the heart.
Heart. Am I your heart?
You're gonna be like.
Huh?
Wait.
Good night.
Bye, guys.
Bye.